guys, Traylene Danita here. I'll be using some of my favorite Mielle products to get the perfect Flexi rod set. But first things first, I'm taking a trip to my local CVS to grab the things I need. Starting out with getting the mint almond oil. This oil is very lightweight and it smells so good. Picking up the Babasu Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. This will help define my curls and keep the frizz at bay. Now I'm throwing in the Honey Ginger Edge Gel. I want to have nice slick edges that's soft, so this will do the trick. Lastly, the Babasu Conditioning Shampoo. This gives my hair a nice clean without over drying. I was able to grab all of the Mielle products I need to achieve this perfect Flexi rod set. My hair has already been washed with the shampoo. It's now been stretched and air dried. Starting out with the curl mousse and some medium-sized flexi rods, I'm crossing my fingers and saying a small prayer before we get started. I'll be using medium-sized sections of my hair to wrap around the flexi rod. Taking my Denman brush to smooth my hair down and then applying the curl mousse. I'm applying just enough mousse to my hair so it will be set on the rod, but not too much to the point where my hair will revert. So I'm taking that rod and I'm just wrapping my hair down the length of the rod, making sure my hair is smooth because we want to have smooth curls. Now focusing on the ends of my hair on that rod and taking some of that edge gel and applying a little bit, making sure the ends of my hair are smooth. Sitting under the hooded dryer for about an hour to make sure my hair is completely dry. Now it's time for the big reveal. Letting those curls out and just taking each one of those rods and unraveling my hair one by one. Now on to the good part. I'm using the mint almond oil and I'm applying some of that in my hands and rubbing that together, and I'll just be using that to squeeze some of that oil, press it into the strands of my hair. Taking a little bit more just for the palms of my hand, because while I'm plucking, I want to be able to pluck and separate my curls and let them glide down my fingers, and the oils help me achieve that. I want to style my hair with a slight side part, so I'm just separating my hair to achieve that look. I'm going in with the edge gel and applying that around the edges and using my brush to brush my hair down and making sure my edges are laid. Hi guys, these are the final results and I am in love. Okay, I was a little scared when I started rolling up my hair, but I said a small prayer. Listen, my prayers were answered. I am loving my hair. It's bouncy, it's fluffy, it's soft to the touch. The perfect Mielle product combination got me these bomb results, okay? The mousse is amazing. It's very lightweight and it left my hair very fluffy and light and movable, like giving me all types of bounce. The almond oil gave me a nice light scent, which I love, and it helped control some of the frizz. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, ciao.